11th B2. Tanish Bhote from grade 11th B2. Abhinav Chauhan from grade 11th B2. Yatharth Sharma from 10th B1. Kapish Kulyar from 10th B3. And last but not least, of course, Lucky Tyagi from grade 11th B2.
Cheer for them, cheer for them. Applaud them. Appreciate their efforts. Men in red. Yes, men in red. Manava. It symbolizes energy, hardcore energy. In its finest form. Energy in its finest form. Team spirits in its finest form.
Well said, Pragya ma'am. Dear students, the spirit that you show while playing these games, I cannot find that particular same spirit right now.
Yes, sportsmanship. As I told you, we should appreciate others. At the same time, we should appreciate our efforts as well. So, we should have this generosity, kindness, and a big heart to appreciate others. So, can we have a big cheer up for them? A great cheer up for them? No, this was not great. This was a nicer one. Yes. You should be spent
trying to reconnect. दोबारा connect हो गया.
Class 11 B2. Mayank
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Basoya 11th B2.
तो अब ये वाला लिंक जाएगा ना?
10th B2. आयुष
तो आप लाइव पे ये वाला लिंक भेज दो फिर.
क्षितिश कुमार 11th B1. अकुल सिंह राजपूत 10th B3. Adan Ahmed 9th B4. Shivansh class 11th. Bhumit Kaushik 10th B2. Vaibhav Sharma 11th B2. And last but not the least, Raj Shekhar 10th B3.
Pragya ma'am, some
Yes.
of the men in blue are missing.
Oh yes, that very array, that line of that blue had just stopped midway. Not to worry ma'am, we have those winners and we will definitely appreciate them.
It's a big chunk of students.
Definitely comfortable with this winning episode of another winning episode of Indus High School. Yes, victory for students. You have done a lot of hard work to come over here. Yes, it does matter. Yes, this victory pose.
Children, please give them a huge round of applause.
Now, the applause must be louder. The thunderous applause.
Moving ahead to the next category of the game, much awaited, the very interesting volleyball competition. And the winning house is Integrity House on the girls category. The participants or the winners are Pihu Chaudhary from grade 11C, Anishka Das from 9th B3, Anura Malhotra from grade 10th B2, Shraddha Mittal 9th B3, Riddhi Gupta 12th A2, Arya Singh from 9th B1, Kanishka Gupta 10th B3, Nana Yadav again from grade 11th B2, Pavni Garg from 9th B4, and
your presence felt over there as well, Manima. What a coincidence. Beautiful coincidence.
But not happy to see that Manya Singh is not present.
Oh my God. According to the name that has been announced, please make yourself line up. Yes, there is a lot of chaos over there. Make yourself comfortable, be seated. Enjoy the medal ceremony.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Yes, many congratulations to all of you.
Pragya ma'am, I must thank our coordinators. You know,
Yes, they all are standing, even ma'am and sir, they are standing for the long.
not only for a standing, it's for a smooth distribution of the certificates.
No, that is what I was coming up to. They are disseminating the certificates, the trophies, standing there tall and strong.
As our Honorable Director sir is leaving, we thank him for his most valuable presence here. Thank you, sir.
So much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
The rest of the event continued by our beloved Principal ma'am.
Yes. Now, the first runner-up under girls category and the house is Harmony House. Now I'm reading out the names. We have Ashwika Thakur, class 12A2, Aditi Karti, 12th A1, Arja Bansal, 12th A2, Neeja Chaudhary, 11th B1, Bhavika Burma, 9th B3, Ronika Yadav, 11th A1, and Fahima Rizvi, 9th B3. Give them a huge round of applause. Boys and girls sitting over there as audience.
There are 7 participants, but only 2 of them are present. It's not good to see, but of course, let's go with the pace of time.
Yes. Clap for them, clap for them. Clapping is an indispensable part. Yes.
And the second runner-up house is Charity House. The participants are Trishri Abuja, 11th A1, Sanvi Chaurasia from grade 10th B3, Mahika Rawat, 9th B3, Jyoti Thakur, 11th C, Satish Sharma from 9th B4, Anya Jain from grade 9th B1, Arohi Sareen from grade 10th B1, Janvi Modi from 10th B4, Ananya Rawat, 12th B2, and Stuti Reddy from 12th B1. Congratulations to all of the
Yes,
students.
congratulations to all of you. Heartiest congratulations. We will take a pause over here for the group photograph. And Manana, what a beautiful day it is. The weather is also supporting us. Yesterday it was very warm.
Well said, ma'am.
Today the breeze is very cold and therefore supporting with
Dear students, I guess all of you
beautiful
are
sight to see, to behold.
Dear students, I guess all of us are aware that ICC T20 World Cup is going on. And for the same, the much awaited, the quite popular game for which, for the very first time, our women has also got the World Cup. It's now the time to announce the results. And the medals for inter-house cricket competition.
Yes. And the winners are under boys category charity house. We have the names over here. Ruth from class 11C, Naman Jain 11A2, Mayank Kumar 9B1, Itansh Verma 9B4, Ishit Arya 10th B1, Ekaspreet Singh 11B1, Madhav Kashyap 9B1, Ayush Mathur 10th B4, Vidit Sharma 9B2, Siddharth Pancholi 9B1, Advit Arvind 9B2. So they all are first position holders. Give them a huge round of applause. Clap for them.
Pragya ma'am, for the very first time, I guess I must say, boys in orange.
Yeah, boys in orange. What a rare combination, Maneva. And let's see that next year can we have girls for the cricket too?
Yogesh sir definitely can say something about it since we have
Girls
just the World
cricket.
Cup.
Yes. Maybe from this session, next session we can have girls for the cricket too.
Congratulations, Charity House. Children, please clap for them. Moving ahead, we have first runner-up team, that is Humanity House.
And the boys category.
Yes, of course, and the boys category, we have only one
That
category.
is what I'm saying. That next year we can have girls.
So, the participants are Shivansh Verma from 11th B1, Kartik Arora, 11th B2, Karan Sethi from 11th B1, Arjun Tovar, 11th B2, Trader from grade 10th B4, Yash Sharma, it's Yashwardhan Sharma from 11th B1, Saksham Tyagi, grade 11th B2, Harshit Joshi, grade 10th B1, Adan Ahmed from 9th B4, Vaibhav Sharma from 9th B2, Arnav Mishra from 9th B2, and Smaran Tomar concluding from grade 10th B1.
So that is real men in blue. Can you see that?
Yes, of course, finally we got men in blue.
Men in blue.
The audience, please give them a huge round of applause.
You all are sitting. Please add to the value to the victory. Yes. I think now we will have a group photo, huh? Yes. Okay. So we'll take a pause for some moment. Give them a huge round of applause. Appreciate them. football is not just Messi's. It is Sunil Petri's too. So, yes. So now, under inter-house football competition, senior weighing class 9 to 12, we have the winner's name, and the first position has been bagged by Charity House. Please clap for them. The winners are Yatharth Jain 10th B2, Yatharth Malik 10th B2, Dhanraj Sajwan 10th B3, Nakshat 11th B2, Shaurya Dastagi 11th A1, Shaurya Tomar 10th B3, Vikram Aditya 10th B2, Navdeep Singh 10th B3, Viraj Sharma 10th B3, Krishna Kesarwani 11th A1 and Mayank from class 11th B1. Give them a huge round of applause. You all are sitting but not applauding much. Yes, from that side, small children, can I have your attention here? 6 to 8, children, all of you. Can I have the thunderous round of applause? Can you shout? Yes.
Everybody likes the appreciation. When it comes to you, you will also love the same.
That is what I have said earlier, Manya ma'am. That appreciation is something that I don't think that there will be anyone present here who does not like it. Everyone laughs at each other.
The much awaited medal ceremony. Students have been waiting it for quite long.
Oh my God.
Moving ahead, we have first runner-up, that is Integrity House.
Yes.
The members of the house are Nitin Pumbhi from grade 11 to B1, Dakshit Tyagi from 11 to A1, Kanishk Rawat from grade 10 to B2, Rajat Tiwari from grade 10 to B4, Archit from 9 to B4, Rishabh again from 9 to B4, Tanveer Bhati that is from grade, Tanveer Bahal from grade 10 to B4, Kapish Kulyan from grade 10 to B3, Sakshan Gupta again from grade 10 to B3, Arjun from grade 10 to B1, and Ansh Mehta also from grade 10 to B1.
You are making a lot of noise, but that noise should not come from your mouth, but the noise should come from your hands. Clap for them. Start talking. To my left, it's a lot of, chaos over there, hustle and bustle. Leave the commotion and come in motion with the victory. And I request all the teachers, please take care of the discipline over there.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations to all of you. God bless you all. Now, we have second runner-up Humanity House lined up, and the names are Laksh Chaudhary from class 11th A2, and I'm feeling so happy announcing their names. Akul Rajput 10th B3, Raj Shekhar 10th B3, Mohit Shah 10th B1, Manan Mandram 9th B2, Yuvraj Singh 10th B3, Mandar Upreti 9th B1, Daksh Tyagi 10th B2, Shubham Singh 11th A1, Ansh 9th B1, and Tanmay Kuntal 9th B4. Men in blue again, Manya ma'am.
Well said, ma'am.
मैम सर लाइव में मैम
You be quiet with your mouth, but make your presence felt with the clapping. Out there, clapping low, let the appreciation feel its presence over here in this auspicious ground of St. Teresa School.
हो गया
लाइव ट्रेनिंग
बस आप ही देखिए, हाँ आगे का आप देखिए, मेरा हो गया.
I don't think that sun is so scorching that you feel so restless. Make yourself calm and composed sitting there.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations.
Moving ahead, sorry, it's the time for group photography.
Come on, Mama. Beautiful sight to behold, Matana. Ever aged in their memory. Congratulations to all the winners. God bless them all.
Moving ahead to the next category of the game, that is inter-house basketball competition. The winning house is again Charity House.
Oh my God.
The members of the house are Moksh Akhi from grade 10 B3, Ayush Tomar from grade 9 B3, Hitash Vada 9th B4, Shaurya Kumar 9th B3, Shiveen Kaushik from 11th B1, Anmol Sinha 10th B1, Ishit Arya 10th B1, Aryan Yadav from 11th B2, Mihir Sharma 11th A1, and last Mayank Salaki from 9th B4. Congratulations to students.
Yes, Charity House again. Cheer them up, cheer them up. Yes, 6 to 8 students. I think you're not listening to us. 6 to 8, and here on this side, 6 to 8 students. Applaud them vigorously. Don't loiter in the ground.
Our principal ma'am wearing that beautiful smile on her face as always.
Always very
Joined
inspiring.
by our Ispriha ma'am, the youngest member of this sports department, I guess.
Man's presence is godly presence.
I 200% agree with you, ma'am.
मैम जल्दी कुछ रख दोगे इसके ऊपर, अपना कुछ रख दो जरा सा, कुछ भी ऐसा साइड में बना दो.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Now I want the first runner-up boys lineup. Yes, and it's backed by Humanity House, and the names are Mohit Shah 10th B1, Madhav Sharma 9th B3, Vedant Singh 9th B4, Pratyush Kanodia 9th B4, Kshitish Kumar 11th B1, Mayank Basoya 11th B2, Bhumi Kaushik 10th B2, Ayush Thakur 10th B1, Rohit Malik 9th B3, Smaran Tomar 10th B1. Men in blue. Heartiest congratulations to all of them.
Congratulations to all the winners. Khan from grade 10th B4, Rehan Ahmed 9th B2, Atiksh Tiwari 9th B2, Shreyas Jha from grade 10th B3, Aditya Raj 10th B4, Yugant Bana from grade 10th B3, Raman Singhal from grade 11th B1, Shubhan Salmani from 9th B4, Tanvir Singh from 11th B2, Dhruv Sharma from 11th B1 and Tanvir Sethi from 11th B1.
Many congratulations to all the winners.
The prosperous color green.
Yes. Now we will have the girls category. So I think that they have already lined up. So wait for the group photograph.
It's so good to see our coordinators together smiling.
Smiling and helping, distributing the certificates and medals, showing their generosity, modesty, which is always up to their sleeves.
And I must say, sir, you are smiling.
Yes, Ashu sir, standing tall and strong. And needless to say anything about our principal ma'am.
Ma'am, that's not a very beautiful sight to see. The vibrant colors.
Yes, now we have green, we have blue, we have orange. So this also shows that we should always stand together, you know, belonging to different house, belonging to different culture, or religion, or community. It's unity in diversity. Now, it's the girl power now. So, under girls category, the winner is Intensity House and the names are Pavani Garg 9B4, Anshika Das 9B3, Anhara Malhotra 10B2, Mehak Arya 10B4, Arna Jain 9B3, Vedanshi 9B1, Kanishka Gupta 10B3 and Naina Yadav 11B2.
Pragya ma'am, you can see that a number of girls are already having 1 or 2 medals. And we are going to get it again.
Wow! Give them a huge round of applause. I think you're yourself busy. Yes, busy bee. Can you all look here? Can you look here? Please, can you look here all? Both the hands in the air. Both the hands in the air. Now join it and then clap. Both the hands in the air. Join them and then clap. Yes, thank you.
Moving ahead, the first runner-up team is Charity House. The members of the team are Trishvi Ahuja from grade 11th A1, Sami Chaurasia 10th B3, Rishika Kaushik from 9th B4, Arini Nevatia from 11th C, Adanya Verma from 11th A2 and concluding with Anya Jan from grade 9th B1.
Manana, we don't have Aruni Deveti. She's from my class only. She is not present at the moment due to some unavoidable reason.
So of course we can clap for her.
Yes, definitely. Clap for them, boys and girls out there. Yes, yes, yes. Let your hands be on the air, join them and then clap, pouring down your emotions.
A big clap for our sports department too.
Yes.
Vivek sir and Yogi sir
Anusha 9B1, Ashwita Srivastava 9B3, Pratusha Singh 9B3, Anvi 10B4, Akshita Athar 10B4, B1.
Pragya ma'am, it's so nice to see that with the global stage at St. Teresa School too we have women in blue.
Yeah, that
That is
also,
good.
you know, that the same thought came into my mind also, Mandana. With the bottom of my heart, we all, both of us, thank our beloved principal, Rajani Srivastava, and coordinators, and all the sports team. Now we will be a group photograph. Can you all see them? Can you all see them? Are you watching them? So if you are watching them, what do you need to do? Clap. Yes. Can I have this huge round of clapping and applause for all of them?
And this was the last side for grade 9 to 12. Moving ahead, Pragya ma'am, it's the time to welcome Nishima on the dais.
Rishi ma'am, handing over to you. Thank you.
And thank you dear
Thank you
for being patient
everyone.
with
Thank you
us.
everyone. Thank you ma'am. Thank you sir. Thank you coordinators. Thank you the sport team. Thank you. Thank you. I'm giving this opportunity to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you Pragya ma'am. Dhanyavad.